Mr. McQueen, if you could travel to any time period, what would it be?
It would probably be during the time of Jesus.
Amen.
I go back to 1912 because of the virus that was going on to see what it was like.
I would go when the monkeys roamed the earth, because, like, why not? And, like, the monkeys are just great.
Monkey.
80s, because I would like to go to one of the rock concerts of my favorite bands, Van Halen or Led Zeppelin, and it would be pretty sick. And Pink Floyd, because at that time they had I think it was the 70s though, but they had planes fly over their audience and it was pretty cool. Anyway.
I would go to the 90s because the 1990s because then there's movies and music and the fashion was really cool, so I'd go there.
I would stay here just because I like the bathrooms.
I'll go to the 70s so I can wear my afro and dance with the Jackson 5 and all that.
I'll do the 80s because adults say it's pretty cool. Yeah.
So I would have went back to yesterday because I went to BJ's, the restaurant, and I ordered some chicken Alfredo, but it wasn't that good. So I would have went back and got the bacon sandwich because it was good.
Yeah.
Bacon.
There you go.
Yeah.
Bacon. Gotta get my arm in there.
Okay.
That makes it.
Yes.
Nice arm. Thank you, man. Just one.
I work on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so before phones, I guess, because phones suck.
Phone?
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 Oh.
I would travel forward in time to when Canes and Menor is finally built, or Canes in Willoughby. Yeah, that's where I'm going, I think.
I would go to the 80s because I don't know, I like the way they dress and it was a lot going on and there's just nothing going on but bad things in 2021, so yeah.
Truth.
Go.
Probably the 1950s because I want to wear poodle skirts and go to soda shops.
That's a fun one.
I will go to the future because that will get me out of work, teachers, and school all in one.
This man's big brain, 5 head.